This guide will help you complete the setup process on Robinhood after signing up. Follow these steps to get your account ready for trading. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Robinhood. Click the link provided in the email to confirm your account. Step 2. Set up two-factor authentication. Log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the security settings. Enable two-factor authentication for added security by linking your phone number or using an authentication app. Step 3. Link your bank account. Go to the account settings and select the option to link your bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details, allowing you to deposit and withdraw funds easily. Step 4. Complete your profile. Fill out any remaining personal information required, such as your address, employment status, and financial background. This information is necessary for compliance and to tailor your trading experience. Step 5. Fund your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now that you have completed the setup process, you are ready to explore and start trading on Robinhood. Happy investing!